Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send a Google Calendar invite by email. In order to do so, first off, here we are at calendar.google.com, and what we're looking for is up at the top left-hand corner. We want to go ahead and create an event. Go ahead and select event, and we're going to add a title. We've got our time already set here, so that's quite nice. And what we're looking for is right here where it says add guests. And what you can see now is that pretty much by typing in anything, you will be able to get access to your contact list, and then you can add the emails here that you want to send it to. So let's see what else we've got here. So we can just go ahead and click on different people in our contacts, and then we can add them there. And I'm going to go ahead and remove these. But once we have those added, then we're just going to go ahead and hit save. And once we do that, we have created the event, and we are also sending off those invites through email. If you select the event in your calendar, then you can also see that you have the invite via link option here as well. So if you want to just click on that, then you can copy the link and you can share that link with others as well. Furthermore, if you want to edit the event, then you'll see that you have the option to edit the event. And from here, it doesn't appear that actually, here we go. You can add guests over here on the right hand side, and you can just select from any of the guests that are on your contact list and add them there. And then once you're done, hit save, and that will send out a handy invite via email. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.